Have you ever wondered how your gaming experience has transformed so dramatically over the years? How you've been able to relish in increasingly immersive, interactive, and individualized experiences? The answer lies in the powerful realm of artificial intelligence, or AI. Picture this. The year is 1995 and you're playing a video game on your console. The characters move in predictable patterns, the storylines are linear, and the challenge remains static. Fast forward to the present day and the landscape has altered beyond recognition. Your digital avatar now learns from your style, the game evolves based on your choices, and the challenge scales with your skill. This transformation, my friends, is the magic of AI in gaming. AI's role in the gaming industry is multifaceted and far-reaching. One of the most significant impacts is the detection and prevention of fraudulent activities. Online casinos, for instance, have benefited enormously from AI's capabilities. From SSL encryption for secure transactions to flagging betting bots, AI has been instrumental in maintaining the integrity of the gaming experience. Imagine a scenario where a player uses a bot to place bets on their behalf, increasing their chances of winning unfairly. AI steps in here, identifying unusual patterns and flagging these betting bots, thus ensuring fair gameplay. AI also plays a crucial role in the realm of bonuses. It meticulously analyzes player behavior and patterns, tailoring bonuses and rewards to enhance player engagement and satisfaction. But the influence of AI doesn't stop there. It extends to elevating the overall gaming experience. With AI, games are no longer one-size-fits-all. They're tailored to your preference, your style, your pace. This personalized touch is what makes modern gaming such an immersive experience. AI has also redefined customer support services in the gaming industry. Instead of waiting for hours for a human representative, gamers can now get instant assistance from AI-powered chatbots. These bots are able to understand the issue, provide solutions, and even learn from these interactions to improve future responses. In conclusion, AI's role in the gaming industry is pivotal and transformative. It aids in detecting fraudulent activities, ensuring fair gameplay, offering customized gaming experiences, and elevating customer support services. The future of gaming is intertwined with the advancements in AI, and it's a journey that promises to be exciting and groundbreaking. So, game on, knowing that AI has got your back.